Marjorie Stoneman Douglas, never again. These kids are our heroes. These kids are in our hearts. These kids are family. These kids will never be forgotten. What you say? If you're pro-gun, get the F out of our way. February 14th, the day of bitch truth with an AR-15, taking the lives of 17. You was just 18, but could buy an AR-15. Nothing makes sense anymore. Nothing's worth the time anymore. This is why we gotta fight some more. Yep. Our government doesn't seem to understand. That's why we gotta take a stand. These heroes will march like a band. Keep marching. Keep marching, the city is behind you. Ignore the ones that say guns are not the issue. Tell them these guns are available and give them back your tissue. Nope. You can make change. Guns belong in the gun range. Hit them with the outrage, cause kids were gunned down at close range. Yep. I'm trying to inspire the youth to vote these pro-guns politicians out the room, like we did when we put Obama in the booth and we watched our country bloom. Now everything is filled with gloom, doom, not even wanna come out your bedroom. No feelings. Ask Trump what security this Barron school has. Our kids deserve the same. Their lives are worth the same, like trying to legalize Mary Jane. Jump! That's why I'ma support the purpose. It could have been any of us. Life's taken too soon. Only concern should be trying to catch the bus. My daughter's 3.5, too young to understand, old enough to get gunned down. Still wouldn't be enough for Trump to frown. Never again. Might because we're not from this town, or my daughter's brown. We are with you. March strong. Marjorie Stoneman Douglas strong. Eagle strong. Never sink. Fly high. Tell them what you think. You can make change. We can make change. Let's make change.